Namaste student, I Dr. Dipanshi, Department of Management and Commerce under Faculty of Law and Governance, going to discuss financial management. Financial management is considered as a wider concept, so now let's have a clarity on this topic. Financial management made with the help of two parts, like first is financial, second is management. So first we need to understand what exactly finance is. Finance is considered as the most prominent activity which are happening in the organization and work as a backbone of the organization, and financial activity incorporated with various factors like banking, leverage, debts, investment, capital management. So finance as an backbone, work as a backbone of the organization. Without finance, no organization can run. So with the help of management, organizational manager can easily run a financial system of the company. In management part, financial manager of the company can easily maintain five factors of management, that is planning, organizing, controlling, monitoring. With the help of these four functions of management, financial manager can easily manage each and every financial activities and operations in their organization. So there are various factors are involved in the financial management, like banking sector, accounting system. So we need to discuss about what is difference between accounting system and financial system, because we will know that both departments work together. Yeah, this is the reality, but the roles and responsibilities of both departments is different. So let's take a look about what is difference between accounting system and financial system of the company. Accounting system is all about bookkeeping, record management and daily journal activities. But financial system is all about taking financial decision about investment and the capital and management department of the company. Financial manager is responsible to take financial decisions so that board of directors and stakeholders can consider their decision in order to make a deal, in order to do any project about a company beneficiary purpose. So let's discuss about the various types of financial activities in the organization. So in order to complete the financial activity, there are three types of decisions are involved which need to considered by the financial manager of the company. First is investment decision. With the help of this decision, financial manager can take decision about the fixed assets and current assets. So it divided into two parts: investment in fixed assets and second is investment in current assets. In context of investment in fixed assets, capital budgeting concept can be considered by the financial manager so that financial manager can consider short-term decision making in context of investment purpose. Capital budgeting concept considered by the organizational manager in context of fixed assets. For capital assets, for current asset purpose, financial manager can take capital budgeting management concept. Now we are discuss about the what is difference between capital budgeting and working capital management concept. Capital budgeting is all about taking decision for the short term period, but in context of working capital management, financial manager can consider and take investment decision for long time period. Second decision, financial manager can consider financial decision of the company. In financial decision, after investment decision, financial manager consider financial decisions. So in order to take financial decisions, financial manager can discuss about various types of activity which are involved in raising the funds, permit and transfer the fund activities, so that financial manager can easily take financial decision and prepare a report, a budgetary control report, and circulate it with their board of directors. And third decision and last decision is dividend decision. Dividend is all about profit and revenue, and in this decision financial manager consider net profit distribution. So this is after profit and after getting some profit, financial manager can take dividend decision in context of stakeholders and retained earning. In context of stakeholder, financial manager need to distribute net profit distribution amount to their stakeholders. There are two types like inventory stakeholders and profitability stakeholders and preference share stakeholders. So first, after the distribution, they distribute the amount, revenue amount, to the first preference shareholders because they are indirectly connected with the company, and then they are liable to provide dividend to the equity shareholder because they are directly involved with the company and considered as the main owner of the business. And after that, financial manager can consider the retained earning. In retained earning, financial manager, after distribution of all the profit amount, in retained earning, financial manager can save some amount for a capital purpose